Join me as I dive into the ancient world to uncover the truth about the biggest dinosaurs that ever walked the earth. Dinosaurs have always been a fascinating topic, but giant dinosaurs take the fascination to a whole new level. I mean, can you imagine coming face to face with a creature that's multiple stories tall and weighs many tons? It's mind-boggling to think about how such massive animals could have thrived in prehistoric times. Estimating the size of giant dinosaurs is a tricky business, though fossilized bones can be deceptive, and scientists have to use clever techniques to work out just how big these creatures were. For instance, they might look at the circumference of the bones or study the tracks and footprints left behind. It's a painstaking process, but one that's essential to understanding these incredible animals. Reconstructing the lifestyle of giant dinosaurs is another challenge altogether. Imagine trying to figure out how a creature that's never been seen before might have lived, what it ate, how it moved, and how it interacted with its environment. It requires a deep understanding of biology, ecology, and geology, as well as a healthy dose of imagination and creativity. Scientists have also had to develop new methods for analyzing the fossil record, because giant dinosaurs often left behind different types of evidence than their smaller cousins. For example, massive sauropods might have created pathways and clearings in dense forests, which could be identified through careful study of the fossilized trees and vegetation. When we think about giant dinosaurs, certain species come to mind: the Argentinosaurus, the Brachiosaurus, the Amphictyonius fragilis. These were truly massive creatures, with some weighing over 80 tons and reaching lengths of over 100 meters. But what's really interesting is that these giants didn't just exist in isolation. They lived in complex ecosystems with many other species, from giant carnivores to tiny insects. The Argentinosaurus, for example, was a plant eater that roamed the late Cretaceous forests of what's now Argentina. It was an absolute giant, with some estimates suggesting it could have reached weights of over 100 tons. But how did it manage to survive in an environment where resources might have been scarce? Scientists believe it might have had to migrate over long distances to find food, which would have required an incredible amount of energy. Another fascinating giant is the Sauroposeidon, a long-necked, plant-eating sauropod that lived in what's now North America. It's interesting because it shows that even giant dinosaurs could have adapted to different environments. In this case, a semi-aquatic lifestyle that allowed it to feed on aquatic plants and fish. The Spinosaurus is another intriguing giant, with its massive sail-like structure on its back and its long, narrow jaws perfect for catching fish. It's likely that this creature played a key role in its ecosystem, helping to regulate the populations of fish and other aquatic species. One of the most fascinating insights into the lives of giant dinosaurs is the way they interacted with their environment. Take the case of the Diplodocus, a long, slender sauropod that lived in what's now Africa. Scientists have discovered that these creatures might have used their long tails as whips to defend themselves from predators, or even to create pathways through dense vegetation. So what can we take away from our exploration of giant dinosaurs? These incredible creatures played a vital role in shaping the ancient world, and their massive size allowed them to exploit resources that other animals couldn't. They're a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth, and a reminder of just how much there is still to learn about our planet's fascinating history. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of giant dinosaurs. What's your favorite dinosaur? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to tune in next time when we'll be exploring the amazing ecosystems of prehistoric Earth.